How to set up password in your Windows laptop. Hey everyone, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to set up or change password in your Windows laptop. So the first thing you want to do is open up your settings menu. Go to the Windows icon and then go to settings. From your settings menu, you want to find something called accounts. Click on it on the left-hand side of your screen. Scroll down and you'll find sign-in options. Here you'll find Windows Hello, security key, password, and dynamic lock. Open this up, and then you want to head straight over to password. So if you don't have a Microsoft account installed on your PC, there is no way you can set up password. You can only set up your PIN and other stuff. So you need to be signed in. In order to do that, go to accounts and then scroll down, find emails and accounts. Now on here, email and account, you basically have to sign in using your Microsoft account. And after you have signed in, the password that you will be using is your Microsoft account's password. Now, if you want to change it, you can just click on the password tab down below, click on change. Now it's going to ask you to log into your Microsoft account, and then it will ask you to change your password there. So you're going to have to change your entire Microsoft account's password in order to be able to change it. If you're not able to do it from here, you can go to Microsoft's website and then change it from there as well. And it's as easy as that. If this tutorial helped, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you next time.